I wanted to make a quick video. If you own Battleborn batteries, Will Prowse is a solar and lithium battery expert. He just released 2 videos in the last 48 hours, and it's very concerning. I'm not trying to pile on, I'm not trying to tell you what to think, but I am really highly encouraging you to watch these 2 videos. It'll take you less than 15 minutes. If you're not familiar with Will Prowse, he has over 1 million subscribers. He's the reigning expert on lithium batteries and solar on YouTube, and he has a big forum of people that use all these solar products, and he noticed a trend of people complaining about Battleborn batteries. And so I guess one of his viewers actually sent him one, and that they're overheating and they're causing an arc problem. I'm not going to just repeat all the information that he does in the video. He literally cuts it open and he goes in there and tests it, and he gives a very stern warning, especially to people that are using these batteries in RVs. He just comes out and says, these are dangerous, you shouldn't use these. So again, I'm not telling you what to think or to believe. I'm just asking you, please watch these videos. I really do think that it's critically important. And the thing that's crazy about it is he has over 4,000 comments on those 2 videos, and he said not a single one of these people have disagreed with me. And trust me, if I ever say anything wrong, I get hundreds of engineers that will comment and point me out. He said, and not a single one has pointed anything out that I've said that has been incorrect. Now, what's even more disturbing is that Battleborn actually responded to him, and he critiques their response in his second video. Battleborn came up with some really strange excuse, or even saying that it was a feature, and it's preposterous what they said, at least to him, and it seemed that way to me and most of his viewers. So again, I really encourage you to watch both videos. In fact, in the second video, it doubles down and it really goes in and tests it again and shows you by example exactly what he's talking about, and it's scary. We're actually moving today, but I felt it was important to get the message out quickly. We don't use Battleborn batteries. We started full-time RVing and got our solar set up about 3.5, 4 years ago. We always thought that they were crazy expensive. Frankly, we couldn't afford them. We use Redodo batteries. We've never had problem with Redodo batteries. So if you have the Battleborns, or you were even thinking about getting them and you're second guessing that decision, we'd encourage you to look into Redodo. We'll put a link down below. Maybe actually have a sale going on right now, but that's not what this video is about. I don't want to get called out for, oh, you're just trying to sell batteries. That's not it. Battleborns, again, are very expensive. I'm hoping that they do something about this, because I think they're probably getting bombarded by a lot of negative publicity about this right now, and they're going to have to come up with a good answer, which sounds like a recall, replacing them with batteries that are not dangerous. So you make that call. We're big users of Redodo. A lot of our viewers have bought Redodos. We've never heard anybody have a problem with them. Again, the reason we're making this video is I know that Battleborn batteries have been very popular in the RV community. I know a lot of you who watch our channel might have them or were thinking about getting them. So we wanted to make you aware. Again, not to change your mind about it, but to do your own research, watch Will's videos, and make your own decision, because it's important. It could be dangerous. So there you have it.